If you're tired of replacing washing machines every few years, if you're looking for durability, performance, and old-school reliability, there's one name that continues to dominate the conversation: Speed Queen. Today, we're breaking down exactly why Speed Queen's top-load washers are considered some of the best washing machines on the market, and why so many homeowners, repair techs, and even laundromat owners swear by them. As you might have noticed, the Speed Queen washer in the video is an old model. Believe it or not, this has been running for more than 10 years, and the only damage it has is rust near the lid, which is easily fixable. This isn't a sponsored video, and I have no affiliation with Speed Queen. This is just to show you the durability of this particular brand. On the other hand, these do not come cheap. So if you're in the market for a low-end cheap washing machine, this won't be the right fit for you, as the price tag is upwards of $1,000. I live in Europe, and since these are an American brand, we get them at a higher price tag because of shipping. Reason 1, built like a tank. Unlike most modern washers built with plastic parts and digital gimmicks, Speed Queen sticks to what works. Inside their top loaders, you'll find all-metal transmission, heavy-duty suspension system, stainless steel tub, and a motor that's designed to last over 25 years with regular use. This machine isn't just built to clean clothes, it's built to last decades. Reason 2, simple mechanics, fewer failures. Ever had a machine stop working because of a glitchy touchscreen or software update? Speed Queen skips all that. Most models feature mechanical knobs and switches, making them easier to use and far less likely to break down. Fewer electronics, fewer headaches. And for repair technicians, these machines are a dream. They're easy to diagnose and built to be repaired, not replaced. Reason 3, unmatched wash performance. Some washers gently rock your clothes in water, but Speed Queen's top loaders agitate like they mean it. The traditional agitator design, combined with powerful motor torque, means deep, effective cleaning, even for heavy-duty loads like towels, workwear, or pet bedding. And thanks to their shorter cycles, you don't need to wait over an hour for clean laundry. Reason 4, wash cycles that make sense. Speed Queen doesn't overload you with 20 different wash settings. Instead, they give you the cycles that matter: normal, heavy-duty, delicate, and rinse and spin. No fluff, no confusion. Just cycles that work, every single time. Reason 5, legendary reliability and warranty. Speed Queen is so confident in their machines that they offer some of the best warranties in the business, up to 7 years full coverage on parts and labor. Compare that to most other brands that barely offer 1 year. And guess what? Most owners never even need the warranty, because these machines just don't quit. Who this machine is for? Is a Speed Queen top loader right for you? You want a machine that lasts over 20 years. You hate complicated digital controls. You care more about performance than gimmicks. You need to do multiple loads a week, reliably. Whether you're a homeowner, a landlord, or someone who just wants a machine that works, this is an investment that pays off. Speed Queen isn't trendy, it isn't flashy. But when it comes to quality, durability, and cleaning power, it's one of the best washing machines money can buy. Want more honest appliance breakdowns like this one? Hit subscribe, tap the bell icon, and check out our other videos on how to keep your appliances running like new. Thanks for watching, and remember, simple machines often last the longest.